Hey everyone, once again welcome back to this channel. A few days ago I went to Mandarmani and I collect some seashell from there. Now I have cleaned them very well and now it's ready for today's DIY. So here first I am taking 5 different shape and size shells and attaching them with the help of glue gun. Okay, so I have tried to give the shape of Ganesh here. Next, we'll draw 2 black dots on a white art paper and then we'll put a sellotape on this paper. Now cutting the dots into an eye shape. Okay, so our eyes is ready. Just have to stick them with the help of glue gun. Okay, so for the next DIY, I took a different size of shells and attaching them with the help of glue gun. Okay, so here I give them an owl shape. I have already made our owl eyes. Now I will attach them with the help of glue gun. Okay, so now our all seashell DIY is ready. Okay, so for the next DIY, I am using a shell mirror and I took a thick cardboard. Actually, round cardboard was needed here, but I don't have it, so I tried to give it round shape. Okay, so मिरर के पीछे ये जो हैंक लगा हुआ था, तो उसको मैंने निकालने की बहुत कोशिश की है, पर निकला नहीं, सो इसलिए मैंने इसके साथ ही ग्लू गन के हेल्प से मिरर को कार्डबोर्ड के ऊपर अटैच कर लिया है. नाउ आई मेक ए वुलन टार्सल. Okay, so already I made lot of woolen tassel. Now I straight them with the help of hair straightener. Now put those woolen tassel on the side of the mirror. Now I took jute rope to hang it and attach it with the help of glue gun. Okay, so our mirror DIY is also done. So it's all about today's video and I really hope you like today's video and stay tuned in the next video. So take care, bye.